Hello everyone. Today I'm going to make one of the famous salads in whole the world. It's Caesar salad. It's so fresh and healthy, yummy and delicious. When you make it once, you're gonna repeat it again. Let's see how we make it. Ingredients that I need: chicken, the chest part of chicken, toast, oregano, mayonnaise, garlic, olive oil, lettuce, and yogurt. At the beginning, I'm going to cut the bread for small pieces. I used a sharp knife to do that. With a sharp knife, it's going to be easier to cut the bread. You should be careful because you don't want to hurt yourself. Because when I'm finished, I'm going to put it in the oven and I'm going to roast it. I'm going to put the toast on a tray, and after that I'm going to add 2 tablespoons olive oil. 2 tablespoons are enough. And after that, oregano and garlic. I'm going to mix the whole ingredients together and I'll put them in the oven for 10 minutes till they change to a golden color. Now I'm going to make the sauce. I'll add salt, garlic, mayonnaise to the yogurt, and I'm going to mix them together till I get this thick mixture. It should be like this. And now I'm going to cut the chicken. I'll cut it for 4 pieces. At the beginning, I'm going to cut it for 2 parts, and after that, I'm going to cut it like this. It's so easy. After that, I'm going to put some oil, salt, and pepper on the chicken to fry it from this side and from the other side. I'm going to do the same. I'll put some salt and pepper to fry the chicken. I'll wait till the chicken get the golden color. And now the bread is ready. Look at this beautiful color. And the smell is so good. Now the chicken is ready too. I'm going to cut it for slice like this. And I'm going to be sure that it's well done from inside. I don't want it to be uncooked. I'm going to cut the whole chicken that I have to slices to put it on the Caesar salad. So easy. After that, after I put the lettuce in a dish, I'm going to add the sauce on the dish like this. I'm going to cover the whole dish with this nice sauce. It's really so yummy. You can choose any kind of lettuce you want, but I prefer this kind because it's so delicious with the Caesar salad. After that, I'm going to add the bread on the dish too. The smell is amazing. It's coming from the bread. The smell of oregano and garlic, it's really yummy. I'll put them all on the dish and I'm almost finished. I really prefer this kind of salads because it's really healthy and easy to make, and it's yummy at the same time. When I'm finished putting the bread, I have only one step after that. It's adding the chicken. I'm going to add the chicken on the top. And now can I say that I'm done when I put the chicken. I hope that you try this recipe because if you try it, you're gonna love it. You can add some Parmesan cheese on the dish, but because my children don't like it, that's why I didn't add it. But the Parmesan cheese is really amazing with Caesar salad. I hope that you enjoy the recipe today, and I hope that you try it and tell me how it was. If you have any questions, you can leave it in the comments and I'll be happy to answer it. And I'll put the whole ingredients in the description box under the video. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. See you in another new video and a new recipe. I wish you to be healthy and good. Bye bye.